the other side of our apartment complex. Obviously, much less drifting than the other side. I'm a little out of breath. I just climbed over a huge snowbank to get over here. I'm going to try the laundry room. See if I can't get in over there any easier. But like I said, obviously, much less drifting up against the doors over here. Let's try the laundry room. See if I can't get in. My ankles are a little bit cold. Alright. Ooh, nice and warm in here. See if Lacey's clothes are still in here. Yep, there they are. She's gonna kill me for this. Yeah. Lacey's, hey, those are mine. And that's Ryder's. Oh, hey, we have clothes in here too. This is fun. Okay, now let's try to make it to the house. Here we go. This is where it gets tricky. Made it through that way. Now, trying to make it out this way. I think I'm screwed. I should have Lacey open her window. I just go right in it. I'm very much thinking that I'm screwed. Good Lord, this is a lot of snow. This thing's taller than me. Okay.